everyone, in this video I will show you how to short on Binance futures. We are going to open a short position on Bitcoin. A short trade means cross margin and set the leverage to 10x. Next, use the slider to choose how much you want to trade. Then click sell or short to open the position. Once the trade is active, you will notice a red bar in your open positions indicating that you are in a short trade. You will also see that the liquidation price is higher than the current Bitcoin price. That's exactly how a short position works. You profit if Bitcoin's price move down. However, if the market goes against your prediction and Bitcoin starts rising instead, your trade will begin losing money. If the price continues climbing and reaches your liquidation price, your position will be automatically liquidated, meaning you will lose the margin you used for the trade. Thanks for watching.